yes, this is the 21st century. And the society that we live in today, the foundations of the society were put into place in the late 1800s. Precisely at the time the theory of evolution was being embraced wholeheartedly by the scientific community. Our economic system is based upon this theory of competition. Our corporate system is based upon this theory. The way we share vital resources, energy, and food, and water in the world, it's all based upon this thinking of competition, conflict, struggle, scarcity. We've never, as a society, we've never been given the opportunity to mourn the passing of the world that became familiar to us earlier in our lives, and that world is gone, and we cannot go back to a world that no longer exists. And as people begin to embrace that we are now living the new normal moving forward, this isn't a temporary speed bump in the road of life. So what would it be like, Brian, to have an entire generation of young people raised on this planet that believe that nature likes them, that they live in a world where they don't have to separate themselves from the very elements that constitute their bodies, that working together to achieve something is in harmony with the world around them rather than trying to beat someone else. And when I talk about competition, I'm not talking about a friendly game of chess or, soccer. It's what's called violent competition in the biological world. That is not the fundamental rule of nature. And the more violent competition we see in the world, that tells us how far we have strayed from the truest laws of nature's harmony. And that helps to see a lot of what's happening in the world. This is what we said to the UN. Peer-reviewed science, some of this published in British journals in the year 2016-17, was telling us that the new discoveries are that the fundamental rule of nature is cooperation. That is a 180-degree shift from everything that I was ever taught.